If you want to make a branch in your lights, the first step is to cut the wire in the middle of the two LEDs where you want to make the branch, and then you'll want to strip the wires on each end. In most cases, the branch will be coming from an LED with a little jumper cable going up to where you need the branch to go. And so it'll basically just be like a little T like this. And in this example, we're just going to use Wago connectors where we're connecting 3 wires together instead of 2. It's a bit easier. Note that these Wago connectors are not watertight, so you may want to put heat shrink over them when you're done. You can also use butt connectors on this as well. It might be a little tight, but if you twist the wires together tight enough, it should fit. If you're using Wago connectors, also make sure to strip the wires a little bit longer. It'll show you on the Wago connector about how long it needs to be. So the first thing you do is just pop them open and put the Wagos on one side of the branch. And it should hold pretty tight. And then on the second side, you want to twist all the wires together and make sure that you get them correctly. So you've got the white ones here. White goes with red. So take the red from the branch, kind of twist it together. And then put it in. And close the lever, give it a tug, make sure it's nice and tight. And then take your green wire and your center wire and do the same thing. Just twist them together. And pop it in, snap it closed, give it a tug. And then finally, the black wire.